4.4-wheel drive. DVD player. Leather. GM certified 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe LT 4-wheel drive, MOCHA Steel Metallic W Cashmere heated leather seating, 5.3 L58 engine under the hood, 6 SPD automatic transmission, heavy-duty cooling package, engine oil cooling system, transmission oil cooler, GM special event vehicle. You would be the first real owner. Let's go over all the Gangnam style on this loaded up Tahoe. DVD entertainment for your little cookie monsters, 20 polished aluminum wheels, rear view camera system, BOSE premium sound, steering wheel radio controls, Bluetooth, USB port, power liftgate, assist steps, remote start, 3 free months ONSTAR, 3 free months XM radio. 2 years 30,000-mile maintenance plan covers oil changes and tire rotations for the first 2 years. But wait,